So today is March 24, 2022, and we just received this hydroponic starter kit, and this is the planting box. It's styrofoam with 9 holes, and including on the kit is this solution. This is what they call the nutso, or the nutrition solution, where we have super blend A and super blend B. So this is going to be the food of our plants. Then we have also cocoa peat. Right, this is going to be the medium that we are going to put inside these styrofoam cups. So we will put the cocoa peat there. And we have also vermicast. We can mix this if you like, but I don't think I would like to mix some vermicast. And there's this water sprinkle, right? And the seeds. So we have the mustasa seed, we have the pechay seed, and there's a lot of them. We have kangkong seed. Okay, so we can try this. And we also have the rapid lettuce seed. I already put it on the refrigerator because we are already germinated here. So this method is germinating using tissue paper. So we just put the tissue inside this container and sprinkle some water, and then spread the seeds evenly. So this is the first day of the process, which is germinating seed. So hopefully this will sprout within the next 2 days or week. And there's actually an instruction here. Okay, hydroponic setup guide. So step by step, but I would like to follow something that I watch on YouTube. So most likely I will not follow this procedure. So hopefully this will work, so we can start planting lettuce using the hydroponic technology. Okay, and I'm planning to add some greenhouse at the back of my room and put all these boxes there. So good luck to me. Hopefully this will work. Thanks for watching.